Good morning, everyone. Raise your hand if you like to travel. Now, raise your hand if you go on vacations at least once or twice a year. Okay, so now I have a question for you. Has any of you ever been to Brazil? Has anybody ever thought about it? Okay. From warm to cold, adventures to calm, today I'll show you beautiful and different places you can spend your vacation in Brazil and try to convince you in why your next vacation should be there. Many of you, when thinking about Brazil, probably think of Rio or the Amazon. Okay, so I'll start with some information about Brazil. Who here knows any cities other than Rio or São Paulo? Okay. And how many of you know what is the capital of Brazil? Any guesses? No. The capital of Brazil is Brasilia. The capital was founded in 1960, and the city was planned and developed in 1956 to move the capital from Rio to a more central place. As you can see, it's right in the middle of the country. Brazil is the fifth largest country in the world. It is a union of 27 federative units. By that I mean 26 states and one federal district. With that being said, you can imagine how diverse the country is. Now I'll talk about places you can visit depending on your preference and lifestyle. As mentioned before, Brazil brings a huge variety of things to do and places to go. Let's start with the famous beaches. For those who like summer, sand, sun, and salty water. The Brazilian coast has close to 4,600 miles of extension and more than 2,000 beaches to go. Today, I'll show you two of them. The first one I'll show you is called Porto de Galinhas. It is located in the northeast coast of Brazil. The water trapped by reefs during low tide forms natural pools where visitors can swim, feed the fish, or float in an average temperature of 79 degrees Fahrenheit. As you can see here, some pictures. The second one I'll show you is right now one of the most visited places in Brazil. It's called Jericoacoara. It is also located in the northeast coast of Brazil, and it is known for its sloping dunes, beautiful nearby villages, and aquamarine lagoons surrounded by a natural park. A cool fact about this place is that the moon and the stars are basically the only sources of light, as street lights are not allowed. For those who like summer as well, but are not fans of the sand and the salty water, and prefer more adventurous and at the same time calm environment, Brazil also has waterfalls and mountains. I can speak for myself as a nature and adventure fan, and because I grew up in a state that is full of nature but sadly is far from the coast, I highly recommend those waterfalls. Serra do Cipó Falls are located in the state of Minas Gerais, and it is a city with a large national park that hosts dozens of waterfalls over its 210 square miles. You can only access the waterfall by foot, which means you get to see the nature and explore while going to the waterfalls. The most easily accessible ones include Val da Noiva, it's the one to your left, a 224-foot waterfall along one of the park's gentlest hiking trails, and the Salgado Waterfalls, which is 5 miles from the park's base camp. But if you're not a summer person and you enjoy the chilly weather a bit too much, I have the perfect solution for you. The winter in Brazil is not nearly as cold as it is here in the United States, but it can get chilly in some places, especially if you go south. Gramado is one of the most popular cities in the south. The temperatures go near 32 degrees Fahrenheit during the winter, which is the coldest it gets in Brazil. And it is a beautiful town to walk around and be with your family or loved ones for a calm trip. From winter to summer, these are the places I recommend a person who is vacationing to Brazil to go. In conclusion, from warm to cold, adventures to calm, Brazil is an awesome place to spend a vacation with your family or friends at any time of the year. And the best part is, it is an affordable trip, especially because your money will be worth 4 times more because of the current exchange rate. So, if you're planning on going on a trip soon, I hope you consider Brazil the option. Thank you.